This question asks us to differentiate with respect to x sine of cosine of x. So we start with the statement, let y equal to sine of cosine of x. Then what do? We try and find dy by dx. What is that equal to? Well, this is a chain rule style problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to differentiate the outside function with respect to what is inside, with respect to the argument. So if I differentiate sine, I get cosine. So I'm going to get cosine of, and then keep this the same for the moment, cosine of x. And then the chain rule tells us we now have to multiply the derivative of this function with respect to x. So if I differentiate cosine of x, what do I get? I get negative sine of x. Now all I have to do is make this look a little bit nicer. So I'll bring negative sine out the front of x times cosine of cosine of x. And this is the final answer. Now, just something to be a little bit careful of, I just want to draw your attention to it. This here, cosine of x, does not equal to cosine squared of x. And this is where our trig notation can get a little bit annoying, can get a little bit difficult, because in trig, this means cosine squared of x means cosine of x all squared. Whereas with any other function, f2 of x is actually equal to f of x. So this is a place where mathematics has not got consistent notation. So please just be careful. For trigonometric functions, this is not cosine squared of x.